This is Chengde Mountain Resort, the imperial summer palace built by Emperor Kangxi in Reihe. It is said to be 7 times larger than the Forbidden City. It is said that one pillar inside is worth 2.7 billion, and even the floor is more precious than the golden bricks of the Forbidden City. This place was also one of the filming locations for Princess Huanju. Many people know that after coming to the mountain resort, they simply walk around and look at the scenery, but they do not really know what is inside. Let me quietly tell you. I discovered many secrets inside Chengde Mountain Resort. Follow me. Today, I will take you into the mountain resort. Come on, let's go inside. After we enter, look at this pair of lions on the left and right sides. I guarantee you have never seen anything like them before. Pay attention to their faces. There are still faint traces that look as if something once wiped across them. During the War of Resistance against Japan, the Japanese wanted to move away this pair of lions. After this plan was discovered by a kind-hearted local person, he secretly smeared a lot of pig blood on the lion's eyes. When the Japanese came to move the lions, they found that the lions' eyes seemed to be bleeding. They thought the lions had revealed their spirit, and they were afraid that moving them away would bring bad luck. So they fled in panic. Because of this national treasure was preserved. It is said that beneath this pair of lions, there are copper bars as thick as the mouth of a bowl passing through their bases and going deep underground to a depth of 19 meters. The 2 lions are connected horizontally below the ground, forming a U-shape. In this way, even if modern cranes were used today, there would still be nothing they could do with this pair of bronze lions. We really have to admire the wisdom of the ancient people. Look at these 4 characters. Bishu Shanzhuang, meaning mountain resort for escaping the summer heat. They are especially eye-catching. This was written personally by Emperor Kangxi. Let me tell you a secret. The character Bi in Bishu Shanzhuang is actually considered a wrong character. It is also known as the number 1 wrong character under heaven. There are 4 explanations for this so-called wrong character. The first explanation says that Emperor Kangxi accidentally wrote it wrong at the time, but he could not correct it, so the wrong character was hung up. The second explanation says that for the sake of visual beauty in calligraphy, he added 1 extra horizontal stroke under the character B. The third explanation says that the meaning of B, to avoid or escape, was not very auspicious because it carried the sense of avoidance and taboo. So in order to avoid bad things, he deliberately wrote it incorrectly. The fourth explanation says that Emperor Kangxi did not write it wrong at all, because in ancient times this character was written in this way. So which explanation do you think is the most convincing? You can tell me in the comments. Now let's quickly come over and take a look. This is the priceless golden thread Nanmu Hall. Let's hurry and smell it. Wow, this fragrance is amazing! It is said that 1 pillar inside has a market valuation of 2.7 billion. There are a total of 68 pillars as thick as this, and the doors, windows, and beams of the main hall are all made of golden thread Nanmu. Why is golden thread Nanmu so valuable? A golden thread Nanmu tree used for architecture takes around 1,000 years to fully mature. The golden thread Nanmu here came from Mount Emei in Sichuan. Among the people, there was a saying about cutting golden thread Nanmu. 1,000 people enter the mountain, but only 500 come out. From this, you can imagine how precious golden thread Nanmu was. And as the old saying goes, the road to Shu is harder than climbing to the blue heavens. Transportation was also extremely difficult. Inside the entire hall, the partition doors and ceiling were once made up of 735 ceiling panels. On them were all carved traditional Wan character patterns, longevity peaches, and bats. The craftsmanship is delicate and lifelike. These symbols represent 5 blessings surrounding longevity and the meaning of countless blessings and long life. It can truly be called complete fortune and longevity. Now everyone can type complete fortune and longevity in the comments. Now let's look at the floor beneath our feet. This kind of flooring is called flower-spotted rock. This stone was formed when a volcanic eruption caused lava to roll out while wrapping around shells, and then, after thousands of years of pressure from movements of the Earth's crust, it gradually took shape. These are fossils from hundreds of millions of years ago, a product of nature. They are even more precious and rarer than the golden bricks of the Forbidden City. It has one special feature. In winter, when you step on it, it feels very warm, while in summer it feels cool under your feet. It is also slip-resistant, so when people walk on it, they generally will not fall. The most remarkable place in the mountain resort is the West Warm Chamber behind me. 4 emperors once stayed here: Emperor Kangxi, Emperor Qianlong, Emperor Jiaqing, and Emperor Xianfeng. And inside this very room, 2 emperors passed away. As the old saying goes, do not plant mulberry trees in front, and do not plant willow trees behind. But strangely enough, right in front of the great hall where the emperor lived, 2 mulberry trees were planted, and they grew extremely well. Could this really have been just a coincidence of history? Also, inside this place, the humiliating Treaty of Peking was signed. At that time, it was signed on that table, so people call it the Table of National Humiliation. It became a witness to history. After Emperor Xianfeng passed away, Ciqi and Ci'an launched the Xinyu coup together. Their greatest helper was Prince Gong, Yixin. He secretly met with Ciqi for several hours inside Ciqi's bedroom, and in the end, they seized power. From then on, Ciqi began ruling from behind the curtain and controlled the Qing Dynasty for as long as 48 years. A place that was originally used for escaping the summer heat unexpectedly became an arena for political struggle. This is the filming location of Princess Huanzhu. The second floor of Misty Rain Tower was the Shu Fengjai study. Misty Rain Tower was built in the 45th year of Emperor Qianlong's reign in 1780. During Qianlong's southern inspection tour, he saw the Misty Rain Tower on Yuanyang Island in South Lake, Jiaxing, Zhejiang. The misty smoke and evening rain there were extremely wonderful, so he ordered craftsmen to imitate it and build a similar tower on Qinglian Island inside the mountain resort. This tower is 5 bays wide and has 2 floors. Hanging above it is a cloud dragon golden plaque written personally by Emperor Qianlong. Around Misty Rain Tower there are 9 dragons, but have you noticed? You cannot see the tails of the dragons. This is what people call the divine dragon shows its head but not its tail. After we come over here, look carefully at the ground under your feet. These are dinosaur footprint fossils from 150 million years ago. In many places around Chengde, there are dinosaur footprint fossils, including footprints of brontosaurs and ceratopsian dinosaurs. These are Triceratops footprints. There are at least more than 140 of them, and among them, more than 130 are very well preserved. What is even more astonishing is that most of the footprints are distributed in different areas of Chengde Mountain Resort. This is the shortest Reihe River in the world, only a little over 700 meters long. Around 70 million years ago, there was once a large-scale volcanic eruption here, which formed many cracks. Surface water seeped underground through these fractures. After being heated and pressurized, the water temperature rose, and then the water gushed out again from deep underground, forming today's Reihe Spring. It is said that no matter how cold the weather gets, for all these years, the Reihe River here has never frozen. Local people say that if you wash your hands by the Reihe Spring, you will have fame, wealth, and success. If you wash your hair by the Reihe Spring, you will have no worries throughout the 4 seasons. Today, I am here holding up a little of this Reihe water, which is said to bring fame, wealth, and success, and I am sending it to you in front of the screen. Did you receive it? If you received it, type "received" in the comments. Follow me. In the next video, I will take you to climb Shuangta Mountain, an ancient mystery that has puzzled people for thousands of years. Looking back at Chengde Mountain Resort, this place is far more than an imperial garden built for escaping the summer heat. It is a living witness to the rise and decline of the Qing Dynasty, carrying stories of imperial power, architectural wisdom, political struggle, national humiliation, and cultural memory. From the bronze lions at the gate to the golden thread Nanmu Hall, from the priceless stone floors to the Rehe spring that never freezes, every corner seems to hide a piece of history. What makes Chengde Mountain Resort truly special is that it brings together nature, architecture, and politics in one place. It was once a peaceful retreat for emperors, but it also became a stage where major decisions were made, treaties were signed, and power changed hands. This contrast reminds us that behind the beauty of ancient Chinese architecture, there are often deeper stories about the fate of a dynasty and the lives of the people connected to it. Today, when we walk through this place, we are not only admiring old buildings or beautiful scenery, we are also looking back at a part of Chinese history that should not be forgotten. These palaces, halls, stones, plaques, and springs all remind us how brilliant ancient craftsmanship could be and how heavy history can feel when it is preserved in one place. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's journey into Chengde Mountain Resort, please share your thoughts in the comments. Which part impressed you the most? The bronze lions, the golden thread Nanmu Hall, the imperial chambers, or the Rehe spring? In the next video, I will continue taking you to explore Shuangta Mountain, an ancient mystery that has puzzled people for thousands of years. Thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.